myself Pavani. Today I would like to give a session on lexical resources. In lexical resources, one of the concepts is stemmers, means stemming. Coming to the overview of today's session, so we will discuss what is stemming, what is the purpose of stemming. Let's say discuss the disadvantages of stemming and algorithms, which type of algorithms we are using stemming, and stemmers for the European languages, stemmers for Indian languages, applications of stemming, and difference between the stemming and lemmatization, and some example code using water stemmer in Python. Let's see one by one. So coming to the first one, so what is stemming? So what is the meaning of stemming? Stemming is a text processing technique used to NLP to reduce the words to root. Not exactly, it will display not exactly root word, nearby root word it will show. This is a drawback in stemming. Let's see the example discuss in next. So let's see the example here. Here playing, played, plays. This is some words, right? So what is the root word here? Some play. Some retrieval, some retriever, retrieves. Some root word is some retrieve. Some chocolates, chocolatey, cocoa. Some chocolate is the root word. This is how stemming will use in NLP. So this is the process of normalizing the words so that related words can be treated as same word in analysis, such as searching and indexing. This is by using stemming we can normalize the words that can be treated as a same word. That means play is the same, place is also same. That means same role, we will understand same role. So see the purpose of stemming. That means where we use the stemming. It links related words same base even if the words are morphologically different. That means whenever we are using the root word, if morphologically it is different, but it will show the root word. It reducing the dimension of the data. It means fewer unique words. Let's see the whenever we are stemming using some search engines, some information retrieval systems, some text mining and NLP applications. That means we can use stemming process in search engines, that means Google, and that means we can do shortcuts, right? So information retrieval, when we get to some database, it will display the some root words. Let's see, human languages are morphologically rich. That means a single root word can produce dozens of variations. That means a single root word contains a multiple child nodes like play, place, playing, played, like this. All child words have the some single root word. This is the meaning of this point, right? Let's say stemming is valuable in search engines for a query expansion. The tools to perform stemming are called stemmers. That means whenever we are asking the question to the database, that we called as a query, right? That performed by the stemmers. Let's see the disadvantage of stemming. Here see first one, over stemming. That means words that are not related to, not incorrectly reduce the same root. See the example here. Here universe, university. Both are become root word universe. That is not a wrong, right? That is not a correct one. See universe, university. Universe means different meaning. University means different meaning. But we will get the root word here universe. This is the drawback in a means over stemming. That means this leads to loss of the meaning in a correct grouping, incorrect grouping. We will lose the entire situation. Next, second one, under stemming. Words that should be grouped together are not stemmed to the same root. Here see analysis and analyze. But it's stemmed to different forms. But it both are came under same. But it will not, under stemming, it will not completely complete a task, right? So it fails to capture the relationship between the similar words. Analysis means, analyze means both are same, but it will not complete the action. See the next one, reduced readability. So what is the meaning of reduced readability? It reduces the readability of the words. Stems may not be real or human readable. See the here, happily. The word contains some happily, some are flies. We will get fly. This is some reduce the readability of the word. See the next one, language dependency. Most stemmers are language specific because the stemming is word by word. That means contains a various number of root node, parent child nodes, contains a one root node. See the example here. Here in language dependency, we are using two algorithms, Porter stemmer and Landscat stemmer for English only. Here, hard to apply stemming language like some Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, etc. unless custom stemmers are built. See, in language dependency, we are using only Porter stemmer and Landscat for only English. It will not support some other languages. So, it is hard to apply some other Indian languages. See the next one, inconsistent output. Here, what is inconsistency? That means it produces a different results. See the generally here gender, it was snowball, some gen. Different type of algorithms will display different type of words, right? This is the inconsistency. That means we will get a different results. Here, Porter is the one algorithm, snowball is another algorithm, Landscaster is the another algorithm. Different algorithms will display some different outputs. That means here there is no relation between this output, right? It is difficult to decide which stemmer is used to consistent result. Means next one, lack of contextual understanding. Here, what is the meaning of contextual understanding? That means we have to understand the meaning of the particular stemming. That means word. Stemming does not consider the meaning of the grammar. That means, see the example here. Better, we are taking the word better. In Porter stemmer, display Porter, better, right? Cannot identify it as a good. That means, here the better, the root word is some good, right? It will not identify the good as a root word. We call as a poor stemming accuracy. See, next one, not suitable for all applications. The stemming is not applicable for the some machine translation, chartboard, summarization because we will not get the exact answer. That's why that is the reason it will not support for the all applications. Stemming may reduce the means we will not get the accuracy of the word. Not recommended for exact word or some grammar matters. Let's see the one by one algorithms. So coming to the first one, Porter stemmer. So here Porter stemmer is developed by the Martin Porter in 1980. Here, what is the purpose of Porter stemmer? By using Porter stemmer to remove the suffixes. Remove the suffixes like some ing, some ed, some ly, some es, some s, some statement like ment from the words. This is the main purpose of the Porter stemmer. That means we have to remove the suffixes and prefixes. Like this. Produces readable meaningful stems most of the time. By using Porter stemmer, we can produce some readable meaningful most of the time, not almost. We'll get only sometimes we'll get the correct one. Sometimes some happily and fly are not dictionary words, but Porter stemmer tries to retain meaning and minimize the overstem. It tries to minimize the stemming, but not exactly overcome the problem. Let's see here some analysis of about some words. Here playing by using Porter stemmer. Here playing, the root word is play. Played, some play. But happily, some happily. Happili. Here running, run. But here movement, some move. Some flies, some fly. But exact root word is some fly. This is it will not show the exact one. This is the main purpose of the Porter stemmer. Try to minimize the stemming. Next, see the snowball stemmer, also called as a Porter stemmer 2. This is the some 1. This is the some 2. It means snowball stemmer. So, what is the advantages of snowball stemmer is based on the Porter, but it also supports several other languages. But Porter stemmer only applicable for only English. But in snowball, applicable to some multiple languages. In addition to English, let's see the words here. Some playing, play, happily, some happy. Here snowball. This is a Porter, right? This is already we discussed here. But here, compared to happily, we will get some happy. But exact word is some happy, right? Movement, move, some move. flies, fly, fly. Here generously, generous, right? These are some variations between the water stemmer and snowball stemmer. Let's see the next one, landscape stemmer. This is a very aggressive to reduce the, compared to Porter, landscape stemmer, it is a very aggressive, reducing the words. Because, why? Because it contains a lot of suffix removal rules. That means we have to follow here rules to remove the suffixes. Even the meaning is out of the surrounding it, but we will have to remove the suffix. It produces shorter, less understandable stems. Not only used to high risk for overstemming. So less accurate than that means where is come to the accuracy compared to Porter stemmer and landscape stemmer, it is a very less accuracy in landscape stemmer compared to some Porter stemmer and snowball stemmer. The less accuracy is landscape stemmer. See the example here, university, some universe, right? Whenever in the case of by using landscape stemmer, where university means universe and maximum, some maximum. The stem is too short or misleading. Here university, universe, it is a wrong. It misleads the sentences. Aggressive. So whenever we are playing aggressive, so it leads to the loss of meaning sometimes. Let's see the stemmers for European languages. Stemmers for European languages. The stemmers are available for the some English, Russian, some French, some Spanish, some German, some multiple languages. So snowball stemmer is popular in multi-language. We already discussed, right? Snowball is not only English. It will display multiple languages. Let's see. Coming to the first one, English. Some running, runs, run. The root word is run. Here movement, moving. The root word is some move. Here come to Spanish word. This is the root word, right? Some German, some French. These are the root words. These are the some words. This different type of variation of words. It contains the root word, right? This is the how we are applying stemmers for the European languages. Let's see stemmers for the Indian languages. So it is developing for the standardized stemmers. The Center for Indian Language Technology at IIT Bombay are working in this stemmers for Indian languages. So it supports for the Hindi, Telugu, some Tamil and Bengali, some etc. It still needs some support. It is not completed. It needs some support to develop the, that means to support the stemmers for Indian languages. Let's coming to the first one here, Hindi. See here, likta, likti, likna, lika, lik. Lik is some root word, right? Here padta, padna, padya, pad is some read is a root word, right? See Telugu, some vidyarthi, vidyarthulu, some vidyarthi. What is the root word? Some vidya, that is student, right? Kodindi, kudaru, kudal, that means the root word is some kuda, that means join, meet. This is the some stemmers for the Indian languages. This is some stemmer for European languages. In here we are applying Hindi and Telugu, right? See which type of challenges we are facing in Indian language stemming. Here we are facing some challenges. The first one is rich morphology. It contains the rich morphology, means multiple suffixes in a single word. It contains some plural and tense and some case. Here, see in Telugu, Padavullo unna vallaki, that means here the root name is some Padavi, right? Position. Lack of standard corpora. It contains the corpora means some database, not many high quality and dataset. It requires the some datasets. Free word order. That means syntax various, making the rule based systems order. That means we have to follow the word order, depends on the surrounding of text. Script complexity. Here, what is the meaning of script complexity? That means we have to Devangari, some Telugu, Tamil scripts need special tokenization. That means in Indian languages, these languages contains the need the special tokenization. That means the tokenization will not do the entire free word order, right? Let's see the applications of stemming. Information retrieval, text mining, NLP application, that means task, some chatbots, some machine learning, pre-processing, some search engines. So information retrieval means we are getting the information, right? Some text mining reduces the vectorization by using we discussed in previous videos, bag of words, TF-IDF, term frequency, inverse document frequency. By using these probabilities, we can find out the some reduces the feature of the space in a vectorization. NLP task, text classification, sentiment analysis, some document clustering. Some chatbots will ask the questions, we'll get the answers. Machine learning processing, that means pre-processing reduces the vocabulary size, faster training. By using machine learning algorithms, we can reduce the vocabulary size and we can faster training. Some such engines, that means we need some words connect. Here we will get the retrieve the answers, some connected connection. This is all about the applications of stemming. Let's see the real-time example here. We are taking some sentence, right? The teacher explained the topics and the students were listening carefully. Here sentence contains the number of tokens, right? First, we have to divide the sentences into tokens. After tokenization, we have to remove the stop words. After, we have to do the stemming process. So, here, explain, the root word is explain. Some topics, the root word is topic. Students, the root word is student. Some listening, the root word is some listen. This is all about the stemming, right? By using, here see the code for POTA stemmer, right? From here, from NLTK, that means Natural Language Toolkit, we are importing the POTA stemmer. We are writing code here by using POTA stemmer. After importing the stemmer, we are calling the, means we have to write the function here. The words contain some running, runner, some easily, fairly, some connection, connected. These are the words I am taking. We have to find out these words for root words. So stems, after stemmer, that means we are loading the words. So print the stems. Here the running, run, runner, run, some easily, some fairly, connect, connection, connect, some connected, connection, connect. This is the some root word for these words. Let's see the difference between the stemming and lemmatization. Let's see. May not valid words. The stemming will not display the exact word. That means valid word. But lemmatization will display the valid words. Depends on taking the dictionary word. See method. Here we are applying using some rule-based suffix stripping, right? But here using the vocabulary and grammar. That means here we are following some syntactic rules. It is less accurate compared to lemmatization. Means it display more accurate words. Some stemming is a faster one, but lemmatization is a slow process. See the example, better, BET wet, right? But better will get the good. This is the main difference between the lemmatization and stemming. This is all about the stemming, right? In this session we discussed, so what is stemming, where we use stemming and applications of stemming, which type of algorithms we are using in stemming and some real-time example. This is all about the stemming. Thank you.